guys, Brian with B&T Garage. Had somebody drop off this. This is a seat frame to some sort of Wrangler, I don't know what year, but it's got broken welds. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Everywhere they put an arrow is a break or a crack. So it's a co-worker of my wife's, and I guess they'd seen a video or something where I was welding a bunch of crap up. Again, as you guys know, I'm probably the last person to weld stuff, but I kind of work for free sometimes, so I'm going to do my best to weld this up this weekend. Alright guys, it's Saturday morning. I'm get this seat bracket knocked out, get these cars out of the way, and see if the welder still works. Get all burned up. Let's do this. Let's see how it goes. Let's clean. Oh, Billy. No, Billy! Billy, why? That's Billy. I need to move him to the trash can. He's been there so long, we've named him Billy the Dead Lizard. So it's cracked along these welds here. I don't know if somebody's welded that before or if it's factory. So I gotta grind this down, take this bolt out. Again, over here, I'm gonna weld all the way across that. It's separated right here. Yeah, that's probably not good. So I gotta bend that, fix that. Basically, anywhere this sheet metal here was bent, it looks like it's fatigued over time with cracks. Crack here, crack here. Obviously that's not right. I gotta sand this down and stick that guy back on there like that. So yeah, a little bit of sanding, so let's go ahead and do that and see if I can fix this for them. It's more of just like a fun project, I guess, at this point. Hopefully I don't screw it up. Apparently they haven't seen the videos where I weld exhaust. Or maybe they did, I don't know, that's kind of scary. Alright, Booger Welds to the rescue. I don't know if you can hear me. I had the fan on, I was fumigating myself. Not going too bad. I had some wire feed issues, burned through a couple spots, I fixed it. I think it's turning out alright. I mean, it seems stronger already. Booger welds are pretty strong. Got most of the welding done. Gonna head over to Ace and get a new flapper sandy wheel thing. And I need to buy some bar stock because there's a big gap, big torn hole out, and they want bar stock welds in there, so I'm going to do that. I don't know if they want it painted, but I can't leave well enough alone, and if it's going to leave here, I want it to be nice, so I'm going to sand all my garbage welds down, make them look pretty, sand the whole thing down, paint it flat black, and then give it back, so it'll be like restored to new. I'm not sure if they want it painted, but why not? It'll look better. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, I had to go to a different hardware store. You know, Ace, you really should open before 9 o'clock, really. Like, anyways, I had to go to the big box store that sounds like hose. Yeah, let's see if what kind of metal stock they got here. So I got back from the big box store. I got, I'll just show you. This is 1.5 inches wide, and this is 1.25 inches. And so it needs to go right here. I'm still sanding all this stuff, but I have to fix this hole that got tore out. I think there was a screw hole here, so I'm going to put weld flat stock over it. And I'm thinking, I'm guessing I probably should put the widest one on it. I'm guessing they're going to want that so that they can probably drill it out is what he's going to do. So here's where we're at. Be gentle on my welds. I know they're hideous. I'm going to sand them down. Sand everything, and this is all going to get painted flat black. It's going to look brand new. Well, better than new because it was never painted from the factory. But that's just, it's got to look good before it leaves here. I can't. Oh, excuse me. I can't have it looking like shit when it leaves here, so it'll look better than new when I'm done. Alright, I'm going to put on some music, some time lapse as I sand and finish the rest of it. Next time you see it, it'll be ready for paint. I hope. Plus I have a hockey game, so I gotta hurry up. Alright, deuces. Did some sanding, definitely looks a lot better. I still have to weld in the flat stock on that corner over there. I got as much of the surface rust off as I could. A little bit more sanding on the bottom there. Doesn't look too bad, I don't think. Got to clean up those welds. I'm gonna do that right now. Then I'll do the flat stock weld there in that hole. I might even drill the hole for him. I don't know. Alright, so here's the finished product. Ends up it's being put in a Cherokee, I guess. Not a Wrangler like I thought. And yeah, so now they can put their seat back together, so it was a fun project. Yeah, just did some welding. Not the best in the world, but it's a seat bracket and good thing to practice on. You know, you can't get better unless you do more welding. Hopefully it'll stay in one piece. There's a little flat stock I welded in. Kind of rough looking, but it'll work. Alright guys, that's it for today. We're going to be working on Molly here. Get it all cleaned up. We got some headlights to put on, some distributor pieces, some ignition stuff. So we're going to get that on. There's a car show next week. I think we're going to go to, it's like a 3-hour car show. So it should be fun. Alright guys, stick around. More to come. Deuces.